Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andra Setia Pratama, and today I will be presenting my review of two international journal and conference article on the topic of deep learning based intrusion detection system as a part of my Bahasa Inggris 2 project. Before we begin, let me briefly walk you through what I will cover you in this presentation. First, I will explain the background of the problem, why intrusion detection needs deep learning. Then I will review two articles. The first, I use an detection-based model tested on the UNSW NB15 dataset, and the second compressed CNN, ANN, and LSTM models on the CSID is 2017 dataset. After that, I will present a critical analysis comparing both studies, and finally, I will close with my conclusion and key takeaways. Let's start with the background. In today's digital world, cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and more sophisticated. Traditional intrusion detection systems generally fall into two categories. Signature-based systems are reliable for detecting known threats, but they are blind to zero-day attack, meaning new, previously unseen attack patterns. Anomaly-based systems are more flexible because they can detect unusual behavior, but they tend to produce a high number of false alarms. Because of the limitation, research have turned to deep learning, which can automatically learn complex traffic, maybe pattern without relying on fixed rules. Sorry. This is the focus of the two articles I review for this project. Article 1. The first article is titled Network Intrusion Detection System Using Deep Learning Technique, written by Rati, Malik, and Parida, and published at the 223rd EAA International Conference on Communication, Circuit, and System. The research focus of this study was to find out whether different deep learning articles could be optimized to really by separate malicious traffic from normal traffic. To answer this, the author used the UNSW NB15 benchmark dataset and experimented with three types of a model: a shallow neural network, a deep neural network with 5 hidden layers, and a hierarchical attention-based model. They also used a checkpoint methodology to select the best performing version of each model during training. The results were impressive. The attention-based model achieved a detection accuracy of 98,76%, with a false alarm rate of less than 1,2%. This shows that attention mechanisms can significantly improve a model ability to correctly identify intrusion while keeping false alarms very low. Okay, next, article 2. The second article is titled Intrusion Detection System Using Deep Learning for Network Security, written by Chatterjee, Chowdhury, and Cherukuri from Vellore Institute of Technology, India. Yep. Published on 225. This study focused on comparing three deep learning articles, CNN, ANN, and LSTM. Yeah, we support real-time. To determine which one best support real-time adaptive threat detection, the author used the CC 217 dataset, which contain various types of attacks such as DOS, brute force, web attack, botnet, and DDoS. They split the data 18 to 12 for training and testing, applied k-fault cross-validation, and evaluated the models using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. As you can see on this slide, the NNN model achieved the best accuracy at 97, followed by CNN at 95 and LCTM at 89. Interestingly, even though ENN had the highest overall accuracy, CNN was particularly strong at detecting spatial pattern, while its LCTM was better suited for detecting sequential time-based attack like DDoS. Next, we have slide critical analysis. Now let's compare both articles critically. Article 1. Biggest strength is its outstanding accuracy of 98 per 98,76% with the lowest false alarm rate between the two studies. Thanks to its attention mechanism, however, it doesn't provide much detail about computational cost or how feasible it will be to run in a real time. Article 2, we have on the other hand offers a more transparent and comprehensive evaluation using multi-metric and even providing public available code. But its best performing model still didn't surpass the accuracy achieved in Article 1, and its LCTM model had a relative high false positive rate of 11%. What both articles have in common is that they clearly show deep learning outperform traditional rule-based intrusion detection system. And both were validated using well-established public dataset. The key insight here is that no single model is the best for every situation. The right article depends on the type of attack being detected. Okay, next we have a conclusion. To conclude, there are the three key takeaways from this review. First, deep learning consistently outperform traditional signature-based and rule-based intrusion detection method. Second, the choice of model should we match the type of attack. CNNs work best for spatial or packet level patterns, while LCTM are more effective for sequential, time-based attacks such as DDoC. And third, based on both article, hybrid or ensemble architecture that combine multi-models appear to be the most promising direction for building more resilient intrusion detection system in the future. That conclude my presentation. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye bye.